There's something about the open road that calls to us. The freedom to explore at our own pace, the opportunity to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature, and the endless possibilities for adventure and self-discovery. That's why taking a road trip is the ultimate adventure. Whether you're looking to escape the stresses of everyday life, or simply seeking new experiences, a road trip offers something for everyone. A road trip is a journey of discovery. But a road trip isn't just about the destination. It's about the journey. It's about the memories you make along the way, the people you meet, and the experiences you have. It's about being spontaneous, flexible, and open to new possibilities. And perhaps most importantly, a road trip is a chance to disconnect from technology and reconnect with nature. To breathe in the fresh air, feel the sun on your face, and appreciate the beauty of the world around you. So if you're feeling stuck, or just need a break from the daily grind, hit the road. Take a journey of self-discovery, explore new places, and make memories that will last a lifetime. The road to freedom is waiting for you.